my channel Nukshi Katha by Tanya. Today I will show you beautiful handcrafted Katha stitch sarees. We have just crossed the monsoon season, so it's reminder of peacock dancing. I have came across with the inspiration of peacock. So this is the pallu design. See, it's a beautiful pallu. And all over this feather design will go like this. The material is pure gachi tasar. Price is 9200. And the most attracting part of this saree is the pleat portion. In the pleat portion there is a peacock also. See, this is the pleat portion. Very nice and very pretty saree. Close up to it. Let me drape for you. They will come to understand how much pretty this saree is. This is the pleat, and all over this saree will go like this. It's a masterpiece, and the price is 9200. Material is pure gachi tasar. I am showing you in folds. Let me show you in folds. This is the pallu or aanchal, and all over body this design will go. This is the male and female face. See, and the peacock feather is all over your saree, and in the pleat portion you will get this beautiful peacock motif. The price is 9200. Now came another 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. This is also a very high quality silk. It's a handloom. It's purely handloom. This is the pallu portion and the blouse, and all over the saree you will get this rose design in a diagonal pattern, diagonal stripe. See the color combination. See the color. It's a golden yellow. It's a pure golden color, and in the border even we have done kantha. It's a very minute work, very intricate work. All over your saree you will get this design, and in the pleats also this design will go. It's all over saree. See, this is the pattern, and in the blouse and aanchal will go this design, and we have done kantha in all in stripe. See, this is the blouse, and the price is 8000. The price is 8000. It's a beautiful masterpiece. Now came another 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan. See the color combination. It's a very nice multicolor. This is the pallu design, and I am showing you the body. The body has a, very pretty colors. See the color combination. See the pallu design, very nice circle mandala design, and all over the saree you will get. In the upper yoke it's a heavy kantha work. Even in the lower yoke, lower portion you will get this kantha design. See the work. Very nice color combination. And this is the pallu design. The price is 8000. The price is 8000. Wow. See the color. It's a very aquatic color. All shades are aqua shades. Wow. See the intricacy of the kantha embroidery. This has been done by hand only, purely hand kantha stitch. I am showing you the blouse now. This is the blouse. Wow, very nice color combination. All over your sari will go like this design. Price is 8,000, 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. Now come another 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. This sari is very nice, very pretty color combination. It's a soft powdery pink, or what can I say, it's a very soft pink, and it's a double tone color. It's a Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan silk, which is purely handloom, and in the pleat portion you will get this different color. It's a mitti color. I can say it's a mitti color. See the combination. Wow, it's a light pink and it's a very light, nearest to tassar but not exact the tassar color. And see the thread color combination, very nice color combination. We have used light pink, deep pink and a green, very nice green, and also a blue. And we have highlighted the sari with a royal blue thread. There is no black color has been used in this sari. See the color combination. Very nice. I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold. And this is the second fold. This will come in the pleat portion. Okay. This will come in the pleat portion. And I am showing you the blouse. It is a beautiful blouse. See. The price is 8,000. Price is 8,000. Wow, another black beauty. No other color can be gorgeous than black. Black always dominant. See the color combination. Wow. Black and pink. Very intricate kantha embroidery, and see the color combination. Wow. Very gorgeous, I must say. It's a unique one, and the handcraft all over kantha stitch embroidery, purely hand stitch. Purely hand stitch. See. Wow. The price is 8,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. The price is 8,000. It has a wide border around 20 inch in the both side of the sari. I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold. See. This is the second fold. And all over the sari you will get this design. All over your sari. And I am showing you the blouse. It has a beautiful blouse. In the sleeve you will get all over. And this is the border. Price is 8,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Now come another very nice party wear color. It's a party color, very gorgeous. Price is 8,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. And see the work portion. This sari took around 1 year. Heavy sari, very heavy. I mean in a design sense, it's very heavy design, which took around 1 year. And see the color. Wow, it's a tute color or firoza color, very bright firoza color, nearest to. See, very nice color combination. The price is 8,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. I am showing close up to that. I am showing you the blouse. See the work in a close-up view. See the coverage, very intricate work and very minute kantha stitch embroidery. This is the blouse. Price is 8,000. Now another pure Bangalore silk. It's a kalamkari peacock design and the color is a turquoise color. Very smart color, very corporate color, I must say, and even gorgeous. This is the pallu design. See the peacock, very nice kalamkari design. And see the border design, very nice. It's like a feather design. All over your sari will go like this. It's a all over sari. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7,500. All sari you will get silk mark. Pure silk mark. All our sari silk mark certified. See the color. Very smart color. It is a double tone. It's a double tone color. Very nice short color. The price is 7,500. Material is pure Bangalore silk. I am showing you the blouse. It has a very smart design of blouse. See, this is the blouse. Now another beautiful pure Bangalore silk sari. The price is 8,000. The material is pure Bangalore silk. It's a high quality, premium quality pure Bangalore silk. Silk mark certified. I will show you in a close-up view because the stitching technique is very different to other sari. Yes, I am showing you in close-up. See the stitch. Very minute stitch. And very nice color combination, royal blue with white thread embroidery. See the design, how intricate the design is. It's a very different to any other sari. Wow. Okay. In the half of your sari, 2.5 meter will go like this, and in the pleat portion you will get 8-inch border. This is the look. Price is 8,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Now I am showing you some more conceptual sari. It's completely designer sari. There's lots of concept to make one sari. See the color combination. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Material is pure Gachi Tasar, and we have done hand block with hand painting. Wow. See the design and the concept. Very nice color. It's an onion pink.
Hand painting with katha.
And we have done katha all over the sari. The attraction of this sari is the design which we have done by katha stitch embroidery. See the color combination. It's like an art piece. I have already mentioned. See the kantha. All over kantha. All over. Here and there. All over kantha. We have decorated this sari with lily flower, and in the body portion you will get this Madhubani design. See. It's a Madhubani design. Very pretty. All are folk design. You will get bird, tortoise, elephant, fish. Very nice sari. And single piece. Price is 8,990. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Wow. See how pretty the blouse will look. Price is 8,990 pure Gachi Tasar. Now pink. Pink always stay on demand. And this design, this mandala design is it looks very gorgeous. The color is very soft. This pink color is very soft and very pretty color. Women never get bored on pink. See the color combination and the pallu design. It is a heavy design, all over, very intricate. Pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7500. The price is 7500. And see the work quality, very intricate, very smart design. We have used two shades of off-white. One is darker and another is brighter. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. And divas, don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is the blouse. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7500. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now come another design, very designer piece. Let me show you. It's an art piece. See. First I will show you the design in a detail. See the face of the woman. Look at her eyes, very attracting. And see how the lotus flower. Now I am showing the fold. Okay, this is the first fold, and all over the sari you will get this design. It's a pretty bottle green, very gorgeous. The panna green, you can say the panna green. All these are art piece, I must say, designed by me. All are katha stitch embroidery, completely katha stitch embroidery. See, this is the complete look of your sari. Price is 9200. Price is 9200. I am showing you the blouse. Material is pure Bangalore silk. This is the blouse. Okay. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Wow. We have show you lots of floral design. So now it's a geometric, completely geometric design for all geometric design lovers. See, this is the achol design. We have used two techniques. We have used Guri Katha and we have used Jiriran Katha, which is a carpet Katha, you can say. The pallu is all over like this, and let me drape for you. It's a very smart piece. The look will be amazing of this sari. See, this is the look of the sari. Very smart look. In the pleat portion, there is a big temple, and this is the achol. See, very smart sari. Price is 8990. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Also silk mark authentication you will get. 8990. Let me show you in folds so that you will get an idea of the whole portion of the kantha work. All over the sari will go like this. All over sari. Price is 8990. Okay. Wow. This is a masterpiece. We have used two techniques. we have done first hand shibori on a pure gachi tasar. And I am showing you the achol design. It's a story. It's not a sari. It's a story actually. Please check the achol design minutely. Check the detailing. It has a story. It's a beautiful story. And the color combination is very classic, very smart color combination. Price is 9800. The price is 9800. Fabric is pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. These all are designer pieces. You will never get these pieces anywhere, because these all are limited and designed by me or Nakshikatha, whatever you can say. See, this will be your whole look. And I'm showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Wow. Check the blouse. Beautiful paisley design. Let me show you the fold in. These all are kantha. Okay, these leaves are hand kantha stitch. Price is 9800. Now another very commonly found motifs. Not the motifs, the cards I mean. But you will never found in sari or in kantha stitch sari. Check. This is the achol design. Don't forget to share our YouTube channel link, because we make only designer sarees. Those are unique. See. Wow. Material is pure Gachi Tasar and price is
8800.
Huh?
8800.
Price is 8800. Pure Gachi Tasar. See the color combination and see the motifs. King, queen, all cards motif are there. Very smart piece. Very smart piece. Price is 8800. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Itself part. This is the blouse. Wow. Check the blouse. Very smart blouse. Now another designer Jari Tasar. Jari Tasar is now very in trend. And we have done hand kantha stitch. Wow. This is a very pretty saree. And see the color combination. It's a wine color. It's a wine color. See the motif. Wow, very nice color. It's a dark wine color. Very, very nice saree. Price is 9100. Price is 9100. All over we have done kantha stitch. All over we have done kantha. Even in the pallu portion we have done kantha stitch. It's a Jari Tasar, pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. I am showing you in folds. See the design. All over your sari you will get this design. Wow. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Wow. See the blouse. Make your blouse very, very unique. Price is 9100. Polka dot never get out of style. So we have done kantha on polka dot. This is the pallu portion, black and white. We kept it black and white. And in the body portion, all over we have used multicolor.
Here's the deal, guys. There's
Very smart shell, and very unique. So divas, don't forget to subscribe our channel. To say, I mean, you can see our new episodes with lots of new design. See the color combination, very nice color combination and very out of the box combination sari, because black and white and the multicolor. It's a very nice color combination. The price is 7500. Material is 2-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk, and this is the blouse. See how pretty the blouse is. I am showing you in folds. See, all over your sari will get this polka dot design with multicolor katha stitch embroidery. Price is 7500. Material is 2-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. Now another golden shade sari with a beautiful blue. It's a very gorgeous blue. We call it midnight blue. It's a golden shade of in katha. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 8000. See the shade. Wow. Very nice color. You can wear it with any golden jewelry or any gold plated jewelry. You will look very gorgeous, very elegant look. And see the stitching quality. It's a very intricate, minute work. One sari took minimum 9 months, maximum 1.5 year. Okay, I'm showing you in folds. It's 2.5 meter. You will get this design. It's all over like this. And in the pleat portion, you will get this 10-inch border. Okay, and this is the blouse. See the blouse also. Very gorgeous color. Golden on blue. Price is 8,000. So divas, don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll come with lots of new designs and new designer concept sarees only for you. So stay tuned and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.